Let's talk about dopamine, a feel-good neurotransmitter. Dopamine, a chemical messenger that plays a major role in pleasure and reward. From a revolutionary point of view, we human beings are highly addicted to this dopamine. It directly corresponds to our survival. That's why it feels so damn good after having sex or after having a good food. Because our brain thinks sex equals reproduction of the species and a good food means long lasting satiation. In modern world, this revolution of the brain and its dependency on the dopamine is used by companies to get addicted to their products. Millions and billions of money just invested to identify what releases the dopamine in human brain. That's why you see games have different levels and reward system. For each level you complete, the more dopamine releases in your brain and you get addicted to that game. That's why we jump from one social media post to the another social media post in search of dopamine release. This dopamine can be get instantly without any effort by having a food or a drug or alcohol. Our brain always need more dopamine with less effort. For example, the moment you stand in front of the fridge and you get confused whether to choose a chocolate or a fruit, our brain picks up which gives more dopamine with less effort. That is chocolate. The more we get dopamine, the more we get addicted to it. That's why people get addicted to the drugs, alcohol, online games, and even to the betting. Just because of this dopamine, people end their life by getting addiction to the things. Just because of this dopamine controls our decision, our action, and our emotions. Each and every one of us are affected by this dopamine, and that's why I decided to tackle this by doing a 7-day dopamine detox. Rules of the dopamine detox game. There are 7 rules which I have to do for next 7 days. No social media. I deleted all the social media and unwanted apps from my mobile and blocked all the apps in my laptop also. No music or entertainment. I must not listen to music or watch a TV or read a newspaper. A completely entertainless and it must be newsless week. No porn. Blocked all the sites in my mobile and in laptop also. No alcohol and junk food. Removed all the alcohol items from my home and packed all the junk food items which are there in my fridge and thrown out. I am only allowed to drink water for next 7 days. I must do cold shower every day. I must do minimum 20 minutes of meditation. I must do some form of physical exercise for next 7 days. These are the 7 rules which I have to follow for next 7 days. Day 1. Day started without music. I used to listen to song while brushing my teeth. I was missing my music. I had a green tea as a replacement of my strong coffee.
Day 1 cold shower. You can say this is the coldest month in my place.
After cold shower, I just sat for 20 minutes of meditation and started with the breathing exercise and ended with the calm mind. I started my work 1 hour earlier than my usual time and at 11 o'clock, I realized my phone is still there beside my bed. I realized it when my mom called me. I completed all my day's tasks 3 hours earlier than my office time. And in the evening, I went to gym and pushed my comfort zone. I'm sorry about the music, which I cannot help. Sorry for that. Just coming out of the gym now, and it was one of the best sessions. No music, or initially they have switched on the music, but I asked them to switch off, and they did, and it was one of the best one. Then I cleaned my room, which was messy from so many days, and after dinner, I spent a good amount of time with my son and read a book and then edited the next video release. All the 7 rules of the game are completed today. Day 3. 4:46. Earlier I used to wake up at 7:30 without energy, but 4:45 I'm having full energy. I don't know, my sleep is completed. It's good. After cold shower and a meditation, I recorded the intro of this video.
Give me the cheapest chocolate. Anyway, I will not eat. It's for a video. Anyway, I'm not eating, but it feels good. Having a chocolate in hand, but not eating. Great determination, right? Hit the like button. Acting is very, very, very tough.
Then I went to the nearby park to practice the time lapse and different video modes, photo modes which are available in the GoPro, which I have recently purchased. And then I called my friend and had a half an hour talk, and we actually laughed like anything.
When I was having a cup of tea, I literally was feeling like, see, my body is paining. I think I'll not be able to go to gym today. What I will go if I go there with my body paining. And the moment I stepped out of my home, I showed some determination. And the moment I came out of my home, my brain starts to tell me, see, you're a determined person. See, you can do whatever you want. That kind of thoughts started to come into my mind. And today I was able to lift more weight. Not only that, I did more exercises. And even my gym trainer literally said, you're in a mood, man. That kind of comments also I got. Not only that, I'm feeling very good now. The moment we crush our comfort zone, the happiness starts. This is what I believe, and this is what I understood from today's experience.
After my work in the evening, boredom kicked in, so I decided to go to a nearby park.
Earlier days of my life, I think whenever I used to come to this park with my kid, I used to think something else. But today I got a good opportunity to spend a quality time with my son. Not only that, I was laughing more, I was caring more. I think it's good. It's literally good. It's literally very, 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 very nice. Frankly speaking, it's good. You should have a good quality time with your family. This is what I want to say. This mental detox giving effect, I think it's good. It's good.
Day 5. Immediately after the cold shower, I sat for meditation, and I don't know, I felt immense pleasure. There was a different kind of feeling, I don't know, which I experienced the same kind of feeling when I did a 10 days Vipassana course last year. The meditation was very different than my usual days. I don't know what's the reason behind that, but I felt immense pleasure, blissful and present to the moment, and even a very calm.
Day 5. Actually today I was not in a mood to go to gym, so I just came to experience the different thing to a park, and I just came here thinking I will just walk for half an hour and will go back home. But I started running and my stamina is very good. I ran 4 kilometers. I want to show you something very interesting here. Come, I will show you. These guys are very awesome. You will see. I felt literally good watching how they struggle and how they practice all those things. So you can enjoy. See?
Day 7. As usual, whole family started to watch a movie. As per the rules, I am not allowed for this entertainment. So I made a plan. I met my friends and had a great time with them, whom I met after 2 years, and it was a very good day, I will say.
7 days. Initially it was tough, but as the days proceeded, I felt immense pleasure. On 4th or 5th day, I was completely focused on my works. I was not getting distracted, very, very concentrated. 7 days I did gym, 7 days I went outside and had a good time with my family, 7 days meditation, 7 days cold shower. I pushed myself out of many boundaries in last 7 days. Not only that, I experienced something very different on 4th and 5th days. It cannot be expressed what I felt. I showed only like a 10 or 20% of whatever the things I felt, but you must experience. So it's the time now you to take a decision to experience this. Dopamine detox is must for everyone, I will say. Blah 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 things. It's fine. And now it's time to break the challenge. Last 7 days were awesome. Now it's your turn to take the decision. So how I'll break the challenge, you will see. It's good. Wait, I'll come. By eating, no? It's too sweet. Last 1 week I didn't have junk food. Didn't have anything. It's too sweet. If you're first time here, hit the subscribe button and please don't forget to hit the bell icon, hit the like button, share with your family, friends. If you literally like the video, see you in the next video with another great content. Until next, peace. Bye bye. Pranam. God bless you all. Thank you. Love you all. Bye bye.